Have you ever found yourself wondering why you think or act differently from those around you? Maybe you've noticed certain patterns in your behavior or have always felt a bit out of sync with the world. What if those quirks are more than just personality traits? What if they are clues to a deeper understanding of how your brain works? An adult autism assessment can provide answers, revealing insights about your neurological makeup that you might not have considered before. But what exactly can this assessment tell you, and why should you consider taking one? In this video, we'll explore the powerful revelations an adult autism assessment can offer, helping you to understand yourself in ways you never thought possible. Autism is often associated with children, but many adults are only now discovering that they too may be on the spectrum. Whether it's due to evolving social awareness or a shift in how we view neurodiversity, more adults are seeking out assessments to understand themselves better. This growing trend isn't just about diagnosis, it's about self-discovery and embracing who you are. For adults who have spent years or even decades feeling different, an autism assessment can be a life-changing experience. It can explain why certain social situations feel overwhelming, why routines and structures bring comfort, or why certain sensory inputs can be almost unbearable. The results of this assessment might surprise you, not just in confirming suspicions but in offering a new perspective on your life. Before diving into the details of the assessment process and what it can reveal, let's consider the bigger picture. Why is it important to understand if you're on the autism spectrum? The answer lies in the potential for a more enriched life, through better self-awareness, tailored strategies for daily living, and perhaps most importantly, self-acceptance. Autism, or autism spectrum disorder, ASD, is a complex neurological condition that affects how a person thinks, perceives, and interacts with the world around them. It's important to understand that autism is not a disease or something that needs to be cured. Rather, it is a different way of experiencing life, with its own set of strengths and challenges. Autism is often described as a spectrum because it encompasses a wide range of behaviors and abilities. Some individuals on the spectrum might have significant challenges with communication and social interaction, while others might be highly skilled in specific areas, such as mathematics, art, or memory. For adults, autism can manifest in ways that are sometimes subtle or misunderstood. You might have always been aware that you process information differently, or that social situations are particularly draining for you. Perhaps you've noticed that you prefer to stick to routines and find comfort in predictability, or that you have specific interests that you pursue with great passion and focus. These traits, while common in autism, can often go unnoticed or be attributed to personality quirks rather than being recognized as part of the autistic experience. The reality is that many adults with autism have gone through life without a formal diagnosis, often because the signs of autism in adults can be different from those in children, or because society has only recently begun to recognize the full scope of the autism spectrum. This lack of awareness can contribute to a sense of alienation or confusion, as people may struggle to understand why they feel different or why certain aspects of life seem more challenging for them than for others. As we move forward in this video, it's crucial to keep in mind that autism is not about fitting into a specific mold or checklist. Instead, it's about understanding your unique neurodiversity and how it influences your life. Recognizing and embracing this aspect of yourself can lead to a deeper understanding and acceptance, both from within and from those around you. By understanding autism as a part of your identity, you can start to see the world through a different lens. One that celebrates your strengths, acknowledges your challenges, and opens up new possibilities for personal growth and fulfillment. Undergoing an adult autism assessment can feel like a significant step, and understanding what the process involves can help ease any concerns. The assessment typically begins with a referral from a healthcare provider, but it can also be initiated by self-referral in some cases. This first step is crucial because it ensures that the assessment is conducted by professionals who specialize in autism and have the expertise to recognize its various presentations. The assessment process usually involves several stages, each designed to gather comprehensive information about your cognitive and behavioral patterns. It often begins with a detailed interview, where the professional will ask about your developmental history, behaviors, and experiences. In many cases, they may also request to speak with family members or people who have known you well over the years to gather additional perspectives. You may be asked to complete questionnaires or standardized tests designed to measure various aspects of your cognitive functioning, social interactions, and communication skills. The goal of these tools is to identify patterns and behaviors that align with autism. The professional may observe how you interact in different situations, noting behaviors that are characteristic of autism, such as difficulties with eye contact, repetitive movements, or challenges in understanding social cues. This step allows the assessor to see how you behave in real time, which can sometimes reveal patterns that are not evident through self-reporting or questionnaires alone. The assessment also aims to identify your strengths and unique abilities, which are crucial in navigating life. The entire process can take several hours or be spread over multiple sessions, depending on the complexity of your case. After the assessment is completed, the professional will typically provide a detailed report outlining the findings and recommendations. This feedback is invaluable because it provides a roadmap for understanding your behaviors and finding ways to lead a fulfilling life. Once you've completed an adult autism assessment, the results can feel overwhelming, especially if this is your first time delving into the intricacies of your own neurological makeup. The assessment report typically includes a detailed explanation of how the findings were reached and what they mean for you personally. This report can provide a sense of clarity, helping you to understand aspects of your behavior and thought patterns that may have previously seemed puzzling or inexplicable. Autism exists on a spectrum, and your unique profile will reflect a combination of strengths and challenges. The results of your assessment are not just a diagnostic label. They're a map of how your brain works, offering insights into how you perceive and engage with the world. You may encounter scores or ratings that reflect different aspects of your neurological profile, such as social communication, repetitive behaviors, or cognitive flexibility. These scores help to paint a more comprehensive picture of where you fall on the autism spectrum. Understanding these results can lead to a greater sense of self-awareness. You might begin to recognize patterns in your life, why certain environments feel overwhelming, why you prefer routines, or why certain social interactions leave you drained. This awareness is the first step toward developing strategies that work for you, allowing you to navigate life with more confidence and comfort. The assessment results can be a powerful tool for self-advocacy. Whether in personal relationships, education, or the workplace, understanding your autism profile allows you to communicate your needs more effectively. You can use this knowledge to seek accommodations, create supportive environments, and engage in self-care practices that enhance your well-being. The report often includes recommendations for next steps, such as therapy, support groups, or educational resources tailored to your specific needs. By following these recommendations, you can continue to build on the understanding gained from your assessment, leading to ongoing personal growth and fulfillment. An adult autism assessment can reveal a lot about how your brain is wired, helping you to better understand the way you think, feel, and interact with the world. This self-awareness can be incredibly empowering, providing clarity on behaviors and preferences that you may have struggled to explain or understand in the past. For many, the assessment offers insights into social interactions. You might discover why you find certain social situations challenging or why you prefer one-on-one interactions over group settings. These insights can help you make more informed decisions about how you engage with others, leading to more fulfilling and less stressful social experiences. The assessment can also shed light on your sensory preferences. You may learn why you're particularly sensitive to certain sounds, lights, or textures, and how these sensitivities affect your daily life. Understanding these sensory preferences allows you to create environments that are more comfortable and supportive of your needs, reducing stress and improving your overall well-being. Ultimately, the assessment can help you understand that your unique way of experiencing the world is not a limitation but a different perspective. This understanding fosters self-compassion, helping you to accept and embrace your neurodiversity. With this acceptance, you can approach life with greater confidence, knowing that your differences are a valuable part of who you are. Remember, this assessment is not just about getting a diagnosis, it's about self-discovery and empowerment. Embrace your individuality and use the knowledge you've gained to advocate for yourself, seek out supportive environments, and build relationships that honor your unique perspective. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. If you're ready to learn more about yourself and how autism may be a part of your story, I invite you to contact me for virtual adult autism assessment and therapy services in California. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might benefit from this message. Your support helps us continue to create content that matters. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might benefit from this message. Your support helps us continue to create content that matters.